He smiled. Mija, I was born in Arizona, in the States. When I was 6, not a big kid like you, my papa and mama moved our family back to Mexico. It was a big change, but we got through it. I know you can too. You are stronger than you think. I hope he's right. I still need to pack my special rock. And you, diary. We leave tomorrow. Our trip was long and hard. At night the desert was so cold we had to huddle together to keep warm. We drove right along the border, across from New Mexico and Arizona. Mexico and the U.S. are 2 different countries, but they look exactly the same on both sides of the border, with giant saguaros pointing up at the pink-orange sky and enormous clouds. I made a wish on the first star I saw. Soon there were too many stars in the sky to count. Our little house in Juarez already seems so far away. We arrived in Mexicali late at night, and my grandparents, Nana and Tata, and all our aunts, uncles, and cousins, there must be 50 of them, welcomed us with a feast of tamales, beans, pan dulce, and hot chocolate with cinnamon sticks. It's so good to see them all. Everyone gathered around us and told stories late into the night. We played so much that the boys fell asleep before the last blanket was rolled out onto the floor. But, diary, I can't sleep. I keep thinking about Papa leaving tomorrow. Papa left for Los Angeles this morning. Nana comforted Mama, saying that Papa is a U.S. citizen, so he won't have a problem getting our green cards from the U.S. government. Papa told us that we each need a green card to live in the States because we weren't born there. I can't believe Papa's gone. Tio Tito keeps trying to make us laugh instead of cry. Tio Raul let me wear his special medalla. And Tio Chato even pulled a silver coin out of my ear. The boys try to copy his tricks, but coins just end up flying everywhere. They drive me nuts sometimes, but today it feels good to laugh. We got a letter from Papa today. I'm pasting it into your pages, diary. My dear family, I have been picking grapes and strawberries in the fields of Delano, 140 miles north of Los Angeles, saving money and always thinking of you. It is hard, tiring work. There is a man here in the fields named Cesar Chavez who speaks of unions, strikes, and boycotts. These new words hold the hope of better conditions for us farm workers. So far, getting your green cards has been difficult, for we are not the only family trying to start a new life here. Please be patient. It won't be long before we are all together again. Hugs and kisses. Papa. I miss Papa so much. It feels like he left ages ago. It's been tough to stay hopeful. So far, we've had to live in 3 different houses with some of Mama's sisters. First, the boys broke Tia Tuca's jewelry box and were so noisy she kicked us out. Then, at Nana's house, they kept trying on Tia Nena's high heels and purses. Even Nana herself got mad when they used her pots and pans to make music. And they keep trying to read what I've written here and to hide my special rock. Tia Lupe finally took us in. But where will we go if she decides she's had enough of us? Finally, Papa sent our green cards. We're going to cross the border at last. He can't come for us, but will meet us in Los Angeles. The whole family is making a big farewell dinner for us tonight. Even after all the trouble the boys have caused, I think everyone is sad to see us go. Nana even gave me a new journal to write in for when I finish this one. She said, "Never forget who you are and where you are from. Keep your language and culture alive in your diary and in your heart." We leave this weekend. I'm so excited I can hardly write. My first time writing in the USA. We're in San Ysidro, California. waiting for the bus to Los Angeles. Crossing the border in Tijuana was crazy. Everyone was pushing and shoving. There were babies crying and people fighting to be first in line. We held hands the whole way. When we finally got across, Mario had only one shoe on and his hat had fallen off. I counted everyone and I still had 5 brothers. Whew! Papa's meeting us at the bus station in Los Angeles. It's been so long. I hope he recognizes us.
What did Amada's relatives do to try and help their family, and how were these things useful?